good at playing in the snow.
I'm gonna get you, Randy.
You are? Crazy lady.
Should do workouts in these. How's everybody?
What do you want?
What video do you want to be recorded with now?
I'm starting HVAC Squid Games.
Oh, cool. Is there money?
No,
Why are you smashing us with
a filter.
I do like the triangle that you drew.
Thanks. I worked really hard on it. Red light.
I thought you were gonna hit me in the face.
You were off camera. I had to get your back. You went too far.
Oh.
Red light.
It's not right. It's not right. I think it's because I'm trying to fumble it.
Red light. You said.
My arm.
All her pent-up aggression at home.
Go for it, go for it.
What has Alex done to you to have you do such a?
He taught her how to do that.
I love it.
I didn't hear a thud. Are you okay?
He said to smash, so I just went smash.